3 different tools to cut laminate flooring. Cutting laminate flooring may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and a little bit of know-how, it's actually quite easy. In this article, we'll walk you through the basics of how to cut laminate flooring, from choosing the right saw to making straight cuts and more. So, whether you're looking to update your floors or you're just curious about how it's done, read on for everything you need to know about cutting laminate flooring. 1. Using a utility knife. Many homeowners prefer laminate flooring because it is dependable and simple to install. However, cutting laminate flooring to size presents a barrier when working with it. The laminate can easily be damaged or sliced unevenly if you are not careful. Here is a brief tutorial on using a utility knife to cut laminate flooring. With a little experience, you'll be able to produce results that are tidy and appealing. 1. To begin, measure the space where the laminate will be installed. 2. Next, mark the line where the laminate will be cut using a straight edge. 3. Place the utility knife so that the edge of the blade is barely in contact with the straight edge. 4. Carefully and slowly maneuver the utility knife. 2. Using cutters and shears. When installing laminate floors, it is important to cut the pieces correctly so that they fit together snugly. There are 2 main ways to cut laminate flooring, using cutters and shears. Cutters are handheld tools that have a cutting blade at one end. They are ideal for making straight cuts and can be used to cut laminate flooring that is up to 12 mm thick. Shears, on the other hand, are larger tools that are designed for making longer, straighter cuts. They can be used to cut laminate flooring that is up to 20 mm thick. If you are unsure which tool to use, it is always best to consult with a professional. They will be able to advise you on the best tool for the job and help you avoid any mistakes. 3. Using drill or spade bit. There are 2 primary methods for cutting laminate flooring, using a drill and a spade bit. Both approaches offer advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it's crucial to pick the best one for your project. If you're cutting laminate flooring with a drill, the main advantage is that you can use a variety of different drill bits to get the job done. This flexibility can be helpful if you're working with a particularly tough laminate or if you need to make a very precise cut. The downside of using a drill is that it can be difficult to control, so you may end up with a less than perfect cut. Pros: quick and easy. You can make precise cuts with a drill. Cons: you need to have a drill and bits on hand. Drill bits can be expensive. Pros: you can make large curved cuts with a spade bit. Cons: it can be difficult to control a spade bit.